It's a Stitch Fix day, so let's find out if the fourth time is the charm with my new stylist. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like to do unboxings and shopping hauls and try-ons, that type of stuff. If you enjoy that kind of content, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button. If you hit the notification bell, then in the YouTube app, it'll let you know when I've put out a new video. Leave me a comment, give me the like, the hype, all those things help me grow my channel and I appreciate it. And I appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my video. So, to be fair, Stitch Fix, online subscription clothing service, and they do give you a preview. And to be fair to my stylist, I did choose, I think, 3 or 4 things for this box. I think there's like 3 pairs of joggers and maybe a top. Can't remember if I take that or not. I get 5 items. You can choose up to 8 in your preview. If you choose 5 or less, then you'll only get 5. I guess they are beta testing with some people, giving them they will always get 6, 7, or 8. I haven't been offered that. So let's take the bundle out. And it does not feel like a secure bundle. Yep, it's not in there evenly. Okay. They send you a bag and a label to return things. That is, their shipping is included both ways. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna take the paper off. All right, let's see what we've got. I believe this was an item that I chose. This is the Wandersoft Featherstretch Rib Tee in this pretty blue color, and just a straight hem, no slits or anything, just a kind of a basic tee, but in a very pretty color. And then we have got Thrive Society Modal Rib V-neck top in light blue. This is very pretty. Very casual. In terms of weather, I live in Colorado, and we are unseasonably warm right now. We got some snow Sunday into Monday, and today it's probably going to be the low 80s, and they're saying possibly on Saturday we might even get to the 90s. So I haven't started wearing short sleeves yet, but it's definitely something I might be doing by the end of the week. Then we've got the joggers. The first pair is by TASC Performance Varsity Jogger in light purple. They're kind of a lightweight jogger, classic jogger bottom and matching drawstring. And then this pair is Skechers navy journey jogger, and I like these because it has a flat front and just the typical jogger bottom, and then it's got is that a zippered pocket? Yeah, a zippered pocket in the back, and then regular pockets in the front, and another kind of little pocket inside there. So these are kind of like a nylon material. I just thought they might be good for dressy joggers. And then last, we have another pair of navy joggers from Wandersoft Fleece Jogger Sweatpant. This is my fault. These remind me of the ones that I tried on recently. There's a drawstring inside, and they were just not flattering at all. So that's on me, because I did choose the joggers. So I'm going to give you a quick update, life update about a couple things, and I'll show you my outfit of the day, and then we'll try these clothes on. Some of you are fans of my kitty, Lucy. She was an 18-year-old kitty who has given us a lot of love, and she recently took a downturn and we had to say goodbye to her a few days ago. And we miss her terribly. But I know a lot of you, I don't know if it's a lot, some of you asked to see her. And so I just wanted to let you know what's going on with that, why you won't be seeing her again. I do have some really happy news though. My younger son, Patrick, got engaged yesterday to his girlfriend, Carly, and we are just thrilled. We are very, very excited. They've been together 2.5 years and they are in Hawaii on vacation, and he proposed. So some very sad news and then some very happy news. So let me show you my outfit of the day and let's keep going. I don't know why I always forget this. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before, they do charge a $20 styling fee, but if you use my link, that'll give you $25 off. So they will waive the styling fee, and then you'll have $25 to put towards clothes. So that will be left down below. So yeah, let's get going. Yep, it's me again. I was going to read the note real quick. Hi Andrea, I'm so glad you checked out Preview. Your picks for Fix number 128 are a strong, comfy lineup, and I appreciate the clear directions after last time. I also hear you on the hoodies. I don't wear hoodies, and they sent me a hoodie last time. I'll keep steering away from them going forward since you asked for lightweight, long sleeve tops and wanted more options. I wasn't able to expand this shipment beyond the items in your Fix, but I did add a light blue long sleeve top to give you that easy layering piece you're after. I think I asked if they could add more items. You also chose a fresh new release rib tee in blue for an updated everyday basic. For bottoms, you've got 3 great, Okay. So if you're new to my channel, I had a stylist for probably 2 to 3 years that really got me, and so Sarah's a new stylist for me, and this is the 4th time she styled me, and hasn't quite hit the mark yet, but sometimes it takes time. All right, let's get going. Okay, so like I said, I went out to brunch with my husband, and I like to get dressed up when I just do something different because my everyday life is so casual. I am wearing this is a blazer from Caslon from Nordstrom, and then this is a dress from Market and Spruce from Stitch Fix, and then the shoes are the pink heels that I got from Cozy Island. If you have, let's see, step back a little bit. If you have not watched that video, I encourage you to check it out, especially if you feel like you've had to give up heels because of comfort issues. These heels are very, very comfortable and super cute. So I will leave a link to that at the end of the video. So yeah, this is my outfit of the day. I'm going to take it off now so I can try these clothes on, and then I'm going to be going out and working in the yard. So see you in a minute. Okay, this is the first outfit. This is the We Wander Rib Tee, and these are the Skechers joggers. The joggers are a bit long. I am 5'3" for reference, and they do feel like they're a little bit on the long side. For something dressy, I don't think they hit the mark. They're kind of baggy here, which is better than the weird V that I get sometimes there, but they're a nice lightweight fabric. They got the pockets. I just think they're okay. I do like the top though. Let me come up and we'll zero in on each piece. So the top is this very, very pretty blue. I think you'd call it maybe a cornflower blue. It's kind of a wide scoop neck, longer sleeves, which I can't decide how I feel about longer sleeves. Sometimes I think I like them, and sometimes I think they give old lady vibes. It is a very soft fabric, and that's from the back. It's thin. It is a thin fabric. So we'll see how much it costs, but this is the top, and after I show you the pants, the joggers, I will take the top out so you can see how long it is. So these are the joggers up close. Yeah, I feel like this looks really wide. I think it's the pockets, and there's also extra fabric. I could possibly, I think this is a small. If they had an extra small, I might be able to go down on it, but I just don't think that they're that fabulous. And Skechers doesn't tend to be a bargain brand. Kind of flat butt in the back. So the joggers are okay, just not amazing. And this is the top. If I take it out, so you can see how long it is. It is, you know, a decent length. Yeah, so let's keep going. Next outfit, the long sleeve light blue top, very pretty color, and I can't remember who makes these joggers. These are old school sweatpants. There is, I like the flat front, and I'll come up close so you can see them, but this is the outfit together, just a very loungy, comfy outfit. So this is what I call old school sweatpants. This is like the sweatpants that I wore when I was, you know, in my 20s. They're soft. They're not super soft. They are kind of on the bigger, baggier side. Again, pretty long. See up close. I like the flat front. It is an elastic waist, but it doesn't give me the weird stuff around the crotch. That's the back. The thing about these, I have a pair of navy joggers from Quince that are so soft, so comfortable. They lay nice, they don't wrinkle. So these, I don't feel compelled to want to get another pair that are not as good as those. All right, let's talk about the top. So it is pretty short in the front. It's got the split and then the back. And because it's got like this cuff-like, I feel like it lays funny. I love the color, love the V-neck. It's pretty nice material, but I don't feel like that is a great look. It like, yeah, so. All right, the top's a no. We have one more pair of joggers to try on. So for the last pair of joggers, I threw on this long white gauzy top because I'm going out in the yard and this is what I like to wear. I like to keep my arms covered. The joggers are a pretty color of purple. They are lightweight, so you know, a nice weight for this time of year. When I put my hands in the pocket, the front looks fine. They're a perfect length. But if I take my hands out of the pocket, it does this terrible thing at the crotch. I'll come up close so you can see. So you can see it just does. And if I, like I said, if I put my hands in my pocket, but I don't walk around like that. And I certainly would not want a look like that. So these are a no. One of my viewers said something about, and I'll have to go back and see what she said. I think she said that thinner joggers for her does the weird thing in the crotch area, and thicker ones, or it might be vice versa. Whatever, these are thinner. They are doing this terrible bunching, and so they're going to be a no. Let's do prices and a recap. Okay, so I always leave prices to the end because I don't want how much something costs to sway my opinion. I just want to experience the clothes as they are. And first on the list is the Skechers Journey Jogger. These are on sale. They're $45.97, which is a good price, but I did not feel like they looked good on me. So those are going back. The Wandersoft Fleece Jogger are $59. Like I said, I like the Quince ones better. So even if I was gonna get another pair of navy joggers, I would get those again. Then we've got the Thrive Society Modal Rib V-neck top. This is $59 and love the color. It's a nice material, but the way it was made, I felt like just looked weird in the back. And sometimes people say I'm nitpicky, and that's because I have decided that I'm only going to get things. I have a full closet and I love adding to my closet, but I'm only going to get things that I love and feel look great on me and make me feel amazing, which we all should do anyway. But so if you feel that's nitpicky, that's why I'm so nitpicky. The TASC Performance Varsity Jogger in light purple. These are $59, and they just did that awful bunching thing. Would have considered them because they're a pretty color and nice weight. And then the We Wander Featherstretch Rib Tee is $45. And I love the color. It's very soft. But y'all, $45 for a simple tee is, no, not gonna pay that. So everything is going back again, I'm sorry to say. I can't fault my stylist because I did pick, I think 4 of those things, picked all the joggers and I believe this tee. So I can't fault her, so I will give her another chance, but I have not been having great luck with Stitch Fix lately. Let me know how your fixes have been, and until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it and check out that Cozy Island shoe video.